Go.
Well, what I think will be really important for designers nowadays is to sometimes to just step back a bit and look at this industry or design world from a different angle, since it's quite a noisy world nowadays, and it's easy for us to kind of lose our way and just like start doing some funny things that we don't really have to do. And especially how we use or how we deal with high tech. I think sometimes we should think about it, because it seems to me that we often do things just because we can, just because they are possible, we do them. But if we are really like asking ourselves, is it necessary to answer everything with high tech? Like we might be even able to see that some of our behavior or some of our design problems we are trying to solve with high tech can be solved in a much easier way, and like minor behavior changes in our everyday life just might solve them maybe. So and I also think that high tech, of course, it brought us where we are now. It's sure it's not a bad thing, but also high tech and an industry in many points isn't really good for nature. I think like our factories are polluting the air, like making the rivers dirty, like cause nature to kind of get damaged. And I think we should kind of focus on maybe like nature high tech, just to take nature as a teacher, try to learn from it. Like once I heard a talk about a designer who is trying to learn from insects, since you know, maybe like these bugs with a big horn. Like basically they're black, but depending on the light that falls on them, they have many like various colors appear actually. And he succeeded in solving kind of this kind of like mystery, and it's already able to apply to products. And what is the result? Is that we don't need like any toxic coloring factories anymore, but can just like apply a certain, how to say, kind of a way of finishing material, so without adding any color, and we can express like basically any color we want. Just with this method we could learn from nature without using toxic colors anymore, and just being nice to the planet by learning from it. And that's what I think